Good morning, everybody. So this is day 2. That's right, kind of 1, 2. Day 2 on the beach, and yeah, it's around, I think, like maybe like 8:30 or 9 o'clock or 9 a.m. So we start the day out on the awesome beach because behind me you see the ocean, or wait, there it is, the ocean, and the sand, of course. And then we also have a couple of other things to do today. We're not just spending like the whole day on the beach, which would be cool, but we're not. So we're gonna do a couple of other fun stuff, and of course I'm gonna take you guys with me there. Yeah, and I think we're supposed to be meeting like one of my mom's friends because like she lives in Virginia, so that'll be cool. Yeah, so just stay tuned and showtime. Got out the water. There's a lot of seashells though. Like there's like this area where like you're walking and it's like just water. It's like real shallow, like my last relationship. And then like it just dips and it's just like, oh crap. And there's a dip.
Maybe we're gonna lay eggs. There we go.
Hey guys, so right now I'm in the elevator. We are done for the beach for now. We're gonna go back in a little bit, but I'm supposed to meet my parents at like a preview center because like they're, I guess, taking like a tour of like some hotel.
And there it is. Wait, alright, and there it is. So I guess that's where it's supposed to be.
About 7,000 points the first year at points.
Okay.
If you want to buy any more points, you can go and buy more. Yeah, and for prime season 7.
I'm not even trying to talk to you over there.
So what is it? What is it?
Hope said don't get stuck with you.
You pay more doing this than you would if you just went out on your own with buying points. Look, what's one thing if everything's in the thousands?
Okay, so we are currently walking back to the hotel. That way we can go and get something to eat.
And wait a minute, don't go, it takes me a long time.
Okay.
Okay, wait,
do one more minute.
yeah, because it'll take me a minute.
Okay.
Figure out where it's at. There.
It's gone.
Oh, I love it. All right, is everybody ready? Yeah. I'll take 2.
Okay.
So much of a
God bless you. Thank you.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. There you go.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless both of you guys. Bye.
All right, so, oops, sorry. All right, Mom, tell all the viewers what that was about.
So, this Desert Storm vet
Mm-hmm.
just had a photo with 2 Vietnam vets.
Really?
One of them has a Purple Heart. You only get a Purple Heart if you're doing something like really, really brave, like saving the rest of your unit in combat. And he's got, or injured, say you're injured, saving the rest of your unit. And that tall guy has a Purple Heart.
Oh, well, that was cool.
Yeah.
From one vet to another.
I know.
Baby, 난 널 위해 스스로 증명해
Maggie McFly's, and the reason why is because Mom apparently has a friend in Virginia, and like they haven't seen each other in like 20 years or 15 years, something like that. So they figured, why not meet up since they're in town? So that's what we're doing. So we're at Maggie McFly's right now. We're waiting on her to show up. We got here just like a little bit early. But yeah, so my parents already went inside. So I'm gonna go in, catch up to them, because I don't want them to eat without me, because I like food, and I'm like, you ain't finna eat without me. No. So, yeah, so.
How you doing, sir? I'm Steve. Ooh, you gotta do some planning on here. So y'all have lived here forever?
18 years. Yeah, that's forever.
So how, I mean, you get the chicken? Yeah. Yes.
And for you?
Oh.
That is baby.
I'm in France.
And then I guess we're going to go here.
I'm gonna choose.
It's over here. We brought us in to do some development. And we went in, did it, and made a big list of coming up. They were coming out really hot. Yeah, like really hot.
Yeah. Can I have another dressing, please?
Did you gonna ask for that? That looks good. That looks good. That's pretty good.
All right, so this is the chicken and waffles I got.
They pissed her off.
I'm gonna ask for more syrup.
Did you do a flash?
No. But do it without the flag. Let's see without the flag. It looks better without the flag.
Okay, at least we got options. I have to tell him every time. Every time. Like, fuck, please. So that's when y'all come down?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
For sure.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
It's good seeing you again.
Nice seeing you.
처음부터 어떤 빛도 못색해 반짝임 너는 강한 flashlight 아직까지 너의 모습이
Alrighty, so I believe this is just to wrap up day 2. That's right, 1 and then 2. Day 2 was awesome. I had just like a really fun time just relaxing and like unwinding mentally. You know, I spent it outside at the beach and in nature and also with, you know, my family. So that was really cool. Really enjoyed that.